Here we have an Asus laptop, yet another Asus laptop that came in for repair. The funny thing about this laptop is the customer did not include any notes inside, no ticket printout, no name, no phone number, no email, nothing at all. We do not know who that laptop belongs to. We tried to read the name on the shipping label, but the laptop was shipped from the UPS store, so the customer's name is not on the label. I do not know who that laptop belongs to. Crazy. Crazy how somebody would mail a device without a note for us to know who that laptop belongs to. But we're gonna go ahead and work on it anyway in case the customer calls back. We're gonna have to ask him some questions to verify that this laptop is his. Now we're gonna have 30-40 people emailing us and saying the laptop is theirs. It's not that easy. You're gonna have to verify the username on the hard drive, the model number of the laptop, and where that laptop came from. We do have the city, state, zip code of the UPS store that this laptop was mailed from. So do not try it. Like when we used to do the giveaways, the weekly $50 giveaway, which I had to stop. When somebody would win the $50, we get about 20 emails claiming to be that user. They spam the email in a way where the title, the email is coming from that specific user, and they want us to mail the $50 over to them. It's crazy how the world works. And that was one of the reasons why we stopped doing the $50 weekly giveaway. And the other reason was, if somebody wins the giveaway from another country, let's say India or Pakistan or whatever the case may be, you cannot believe the amount of crap that you have to go through in order to send $50 over to another country. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. It's a hassle. Every time I want to send $50 over to another country, it's like I'm committing a crime. A lot of people in other countries do not have PayPal, or there's no way for them to get PayPal or other ways to receive money. So I just stopped doing the giveaways. I did the giveaways so I can benefit others, but it turned out to be a lot of hassle and a lot of work to just give that amount of money. So the first thing we're going to do is measure to see if we have a short. Right here. And we do. I mean, every single Asus laptop, it has to be a short. Because sometimes viewers, they leave a comment and they say, do you only work on shorts? 90% of repairs are because of short circuit. What are you talking about? If you are in the electronics field, 90% of devices fail because of a short circuit. But how you find the short circuit and track down the component that is causing the short is what matters. Probing for a short is one thing, and finding the component is another. Like in this case, we're going to inject voltage at the drain of the MOSFET, and then we're going to monitor the board under a thermal camera and see if anything gets hot. Let me just inject 1.5 volts here, and the board is drawing 3.5 amps. So something has to get hot on the board. Likely the CPU. And then we're going to have to track down why the CPU is getting hot. Likely the V-core circuit. And I'm injecting voltage right now. And oh, right there, right there, right there. Right over here. What's here? Heat is coming from right over here. One of the two. Or maybe we can just replace both. Both of them do not look good. So why pick and choose? We're going to replace both caps with higher quality caps, the ones that we sell on our site. Just log into NorthridgeFix.com, search for capacitors, and you're going to find those caps for sale, and they come in packs of 10. We carry high quality caps, and those are the ones that we're going to solder on right here. Let's apply some flux. Let's use our anti-glare light to get rid of reflections. Are you ready? If you have not seen the video about the anti-glare light, just look for it on our channel. And we sell the anti-glare light. You can buy it off our site, NorthridgeFix.com, search for anti-glare and you will find it. It's a must-have. Right, and the cups, they come in a package like this. 10 pieces per package. If we go back here and we measure for a short, we should not get a short. The problem should be fixed. And done. 0.427 voltage drop. And we're done. We got rid of the short, and we are now reading 0.42 voltage drop on the drain of the MOSFET that we initially tested. I'm gonna hand over the motherboard to Big Boss to reassemble and test, and I'll be back to finish the video. Let's check up on Big Boss and see what's going on with the Asus laptop. Almost done. Yes, we do see a light. And I have no doubts the laptop's gonna turn on. No doubts. Keyboard backlight is on. Just wait a few seconds and we should see something on the screen. Hopefully. Yes, right there. Awesome. Amazing. The boss of all bosses did it again. Yeah. Thank you. We're done. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll do something else in the next video.